Hello everyone, and now we will explain about our presentation. The title of our presentation is Know the Alternative Countries of the Island Tribal Field Survey Method. In this presentation, there are 4 tables of contents. The first one is forward, the second one is tribal investigation methodology, the third one is tribal concentric circle, and the last one is conclusion. The first one, forward, is tribal investigation is not only a hope to present the authenticity of the tribe, it also hopes to think about the relationship between researcher and researcher in the survey. Think about how to investigate in a way that respects equality. Through the survey, we can not only see the continuation of tribal culture but also the feeling of the people for the land and the balance between tradition and modernity. The second one is about tribal investigation methodology. The first one, find the subject and boundary of the investigation. We can set the theme. The second step is confirm your role. This includes social role, physiology role, and social distance. The third step is find a suitable investigation object, like local leader, tradition leaders, industrial worker, and researcher. The fourth step is start the field survey work. We can prepare for the investigation, clarify the interview objective, and enter the interview site. The last step is manage a trustworthy field of relationship, mutual respect. As I already explained before, there are 5 steps of tribal investigation methodology, and I will explain it more details. So the first step is find out the topic and boundaries of the investigation. We can do as establish personal relationship and understand the tribe. And also we can set up a clear theme to avoid the high-seeing survey method. The second step is determine your role. It is mainly divided into 3 aspects. There are social role, physiology role, and the social distance. Social role is like student, touristy, and public office. Physiology role is like gender and age, and social distance whether you are a member of the tribe, neighbor, or auxiliary. We can find someone who can help introduce the follow-up investigation someday. The third step is find a suitable interaction object. Understand the multi-layered structure of the tribe, find the corresponding contact object, and establish a link with them. Like local leader, example is chairman, village head, pastor, principal. Traditional leaders like head, wizard, religious interpreter, and industrial workers like hunter, craftsman, cooperative member, and researcher. The fourth step is leave the field survey work. Field investigation is not random exploration with a plan and strategy. We have to prepare for investigation to understand people's life and work rhythm. The second one is we have to clarify the interview objective, like organize the interview live and questions. And enter the interview live, like distinguish whether it is a discussion or a chat. And also respect and adaptation. We have to understand the interview's expertise and interests. The fifth step and the last step is manage a credible relationship. Start with mutual trust. It is necessary to build trust and investigation and entering the tribe. Only with trust can there be a way to gain in-depth understanding and investigation. So we have to start with mutual trust to others. The third material that we discuss is tribal concentric circle. There are 5 points. Concentric circle is relationship of core outward exaggeration. There are outer and inner. The outer is the environment around the tribe, and the inner is production materials. 5 pond is Taiwanese Aborigine use 5 ponds to bake their prey. There are also outer and inner. The outer is used to be built with memory cave, and the outer now is built with 5 brick and cement. The inner, there are 3 stones standing, the stove stone. So from this presentation, we can conclude as a conclusion that cultural observation and field investigation are not simple data collection, but more understanding and respect. Tribes are a close network with life. Therefore, it is very important and necessary to interact with other people to establish friendly relation and observe words and colors in field of investigation. Only sincerity can be exchanged from the trust for other. Only then can we deeply understand the meaning and context behind culture. So that's all from us. Thank you everyone for listening to our presentation.